Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the Excel version, and we have two sets of data which we want to compare with each other and find out the actual amount for the month basis or the daily basis. So we have two sets of data. This data is basically Amazon sale purchase data, and we have minimized the column just because this it has nothing to do with the real-time data. This is basically a dummy data. Okay, so this is basically 2021 Amazon sale purchase data, and we have another set of data in orange. This one is blue. So the orange set is basically the account details from for the month of for 2022 2023, and we'll be comparing these two separately and together as well. So first of all, for the Amazon data, we have created a table where you can see if you will click on this minus button, this will show you the total for the year 2021 because we have only the data for the 2021. And for if you want to see for the January total, June total, you can see this is here. It's not showing January to May because there is no data for those dates available. Okay, if you want to see further what is the breakdown in the June, you can click on this and it will show you 1st June entry, 6th June, whatever the entries are available on the data. But we will be focusing only on the month. So here you can see the distribution of the data. What is the sale purchase flow on the monthly basis? So 3731 on June and till December. So this is the one data for that Amazon sale purchase. This data is basically for the details of the debit and credited in the account, and this is also based on 2020, 2021, 22, 23. If you want to see yearly, you can just see this. So this is showing you the blue is credit and orange are debits. And here you can see the details. So this is the total for this, and this one is the total for all of these debit and credit. So for the year of June, the credit amount is this one and the debit amount is this one, and the total for the debit and credit is this. But if you want to see further for the 2021 months, you can always click on this button. It will give you the January to December breakdown for each month. So this is let's focus on June. So this is June credit for the month of June 2021, debit for the month of June 2021, and this is the total for both of those. If you further want to see the breakdown in the database, you can always click this plus button and it will show you all the dates available in the data. Okay, go back, you can always click this plus or minus button so that you can use two of these charts. Okay, so these are the two separate charts which you can use. I just wanted to show you that these are there. But the actual compared charts are here on this green tab. Um, Regarding the coloring of the tab, let me show you. This is the basically Amazon blue tabs, and these are the orange bank account details tabs. Whereas the uh, comparison chart is on green monthly transactions. Here you can see the total for the month of June. This is for the bank transactions. Let me adding in here. So these are all your bank transactions on yearly basis and the monthly basis breakdown. So these are yearly. This is for 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023. Okay, and for 2021, this is for the month of January, February, debit and credit. So for the month of June 2021, we have a debit of 26,000 and a credit of 15,000. So this is basically the bank details for year wise. Now the actual comparison chart is this one. This is the main chart which I wanted to show you. So here I have put the bank details against the Amazon for the year of 2021. If you will change this, yeah, for the year of 2021. So here now you can see you can compare what was the debited amount for 2021 June and what was the uh, item total for the month for from the Amazon. So these are the amount paid on the month of June 2021, and there is a difference of 22,000. So what I'm doing, I'm deducting yeah, I think, yep. So $26,000 were debited for the month of June in 2021, whereas there is only $3,731 transaction available on the Amazon sheet record. So this is it from my side. Okay, so again with this comparison, you can see there is a hell of difference in between the transaction. Like you cannot tally the Amazon purchases against your bank account detail, whatever the bank account detail you are getting in. I think this is more likely that the Amazon details, the transaction are exactly the same because these are only Amazon details. It has nothing to do with any other transactions, and all the purchases are exactly there. And I have seen all the columns, and we can only take the total item column to get the total, which is including the taxes and other things as well. So this data looks more reliable with the data with the date, amounts, and only transaction are available for the Amazon. Whereas the bank details data, it has more details about the other purchases, different transactions, debits, and others. So what we can do, we can filter out further for the Amazon purchases. Okay, so as we can see, there was a hell of difference in it. So what I did, I spent some time on it, and I found that we have two columns in our bank statement, in which few of these are showing audible.com and few of these are showing Amazon, whereas there is a word AMZN in all of the original description. So I'll be figuring that we might take this AMZN because Amazon will obviously leave some traces of the transaction. So I'll take it AMZN as a transaction through Amazon because there are so many other transactions as well. I don't want to show those. Okay, so as I'm not using the Amazon full word in the description because I'm using AMZN again. So this seems to be more logical. This way it will also include these transactions, which are obviously debited. These are books, maybe audiobooks you have bought. Okay, so yep. So I'm adding this extra criteria on this monthly transaction. So now this is AMZ in here, and now this one is showing some logical results. So it's showing that your bank statement is showing 3299 dollar transaction on month of June, whereas the Amazon transaction total is showing 3731. If you are not getting any discount, then these are not still matching, but there are off by some numbers. I'll change the format so that you can see some red as negative and greens as positive. Okay, so this one is showing that this statement is showing more $432, whereas the on these transactions for the month of September, October, and November, the bank statement is showing more transactions than it should be through the Amazon. So this is the finest I could reach to, and this is a chart where you want to compare like what are the debits and what are the transaction on any particular month for the year of 2021, and with the criteria of Amazon in original description column here. So yep, that's it from my side. Hope this helps you. Take care. Bye.